Barangay Tuburan versus Barangay Linienza. So mga kasenso, no, ayaw ka makalimot nga mo like, mo follow, mo share sa atong Facebook page, Asenso Sport Channel, o sa atong YouTube account, Asenso Sport Channel Official, para kamo nga makamonitor sa atong everyday nga live stream. So mga kasenso, pwede usab kayo kamo nga mobisita diri sa atong Magadan City Covered Court para personal nga maka-witness o maka-cheer sa atong mga game. Mga kasenso, relax, stay tuned, and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Marchal Carpentero. Padayon pag-asenso, pagadian.
Sound check. Sound checks de kay duha man kabuok. Sound checks. Live once again, there is Ascenso covered court. It's our first Mayor Samico Ascenso Barangay Cup. It's barangay between Linienza and Barangay Tuburan. Expect an exciting ball game for tonight for both teams. Caballero sidestep. Ayun, may kiyod-kiyod foul. And yeah. Kinsay kusog anidol, medyo kusog-kusog ang Barangay Linienza no kay sila may top seed karon sa barangay sa rural barangay. Out of bounds, ball will go to Barangay Linienza ang tagman ni. Osenya. Time winding down with 5-second shot clock. Balongkas outside to Gosierda. And Tampus, as the shot clock expires, nails the first blood for Barangay Tuburan. Donya for 3. Bang! Donya nailing the first 3-pointer of the game for Barangay Linienza. Shout out kay Warren. Balongkas, inside feed to Tampus. In and out. Tapi ka ng bola. Tampus wins the rebound. And last touch na si Tampus. Stepping on line. Shout out kay Michael Gulam. Ayun. Shout out din kay Cedric Tobiosas. Shout out kay Danrel. No? Nagalantaw na po karon live. Caballero to Balotaulo. Driving. Now to Donya. Isa pang 3. And short this time. Ogosierda with the rebound. Long pass para kay Osenya. Osenya for 3. Bang! Osenya, despite having a defender on his face, nailing the 3-pointer for Barangay Tuburan. 5-3. Caballero. To Donya. Fakes, drives, floater off the glass. No good. And Sabuero is there to save the ball. Based on standing, medyo liamado ngayon si Barangay Linienza as Linienza is the top seed now. Burlat, open for 3. And no good. Caballero with the rebound against Balongkas. Caballero, nice fake. But a traveling violation called against Caballero. Uy, Nightcrawler, Raymark yung ting. Shout out. Osenya. No good this time. Ogosierda with the rebound. To Osenya. Reverse layup. No good. Now Balotalio wins the rebound. To Caballero. Caballero to Donya. Shout out kay Maestro JC. Donya. Balik kay Caballero. Shot clock winding down. Balotalio. Nice cut by Diva. Good play there for Barangay Linienza. As they lead by 2 points. Balungkas to Osenya. Osenya driving. Nakalusot. Left-handed and no good. Diba with the rebound. Diba, ball lost from his hands. Out of bounds. Mapupunta sa Barangay Tuburan ang bola. And the Magnum is entering the game. Hualo. Balungkas, Tuburlat. Driving. To Gabiola, balik sa labas para kay Balungkas. Nice pick. Attacking in the middle. Traveling violation against Gabiola. Mani. Sabuero for 3. Missing it this time. Magay now with the rebound. Balungkas to Hualo. Edmar the Magnum Hualo. Balungkas to Burlat. Pull-up jumper. Short. Diba with the rebound. Magay with a hustle defense. Kaso lang, nakuha na ng foul si Magay. Yun o, go Edmar Hualo from Jesselmi Bernades Hualo. Shout out from Lenienza from Jerlon Beton. Kaya po kuha na akong mani eh. Caballero, Lenienza up by 4. Donya. Outside to Balotaulo, mid-range shot. In and out, tapi ka ng bola sa itaas. Number 6 wins that rebound. Aranzado. Now to Hualo. One-hander, no good. Donya with the rebound. Caballero behind the back. Donya passing it to the opponent. Now to Balungkas. To Hualo, open for 3. And no good for his first 3-pointer, out of bounds. Ball goes to Barangay Linienza. Shout out from Tuburan by Uyjat. Kaya ngalan ni Uyjat. Pa-shout out Edwin Galas from Archie Eloriaga. Shout out then for Zemaira Mier. Ay! Brown out! Jordan. Shout out tayo noon. Sound checks. Sound chicks. Very good. And back to our ball game mga kasenso. We apologize for the interruption sa live natin kanina. Nangyari is biglang nag-brown out, no? Hindi namin na-foresee yung brown out na yun, ha? Back to our ball game as Barangay Linienza is on the lead. Offensive foul.
Number 6, personal foul.
Balotaulo missing that jumper. Donya is there for the putback. Balido. Tumagay against Donya. Balik kay Balido. Aranzado. Balido to Gaviola. Short. Two defenders. Reverse layup as the shot clock expires. No good. O shot out kay Danrel Libina. Again, we apologize for the interruption earlier. We just had a power failure, brown out for short. Shout out kay Blake Enriquez from Manila. 5-11. Shout out po sa anak ko na si Johan Poem Bulacan by June Ongos. And Hualo finally drains a 3-pointer for Barangay Tuburan. Caballero scoop shot! At binawi naman agad ni Caballero. Hualo, isa pang 3. And missing it this time. Diva with a rebound. Shoutout kay Jerlon Beton from Liniesa by Kyle Kuzma. Balotaulo, Donya, balik kay Balotaulo. Sa labas, Donya for 3. In and out. Balotaulo with a rebound. Falls away. And no good. Gaviola wins the rebound for Barangay Tuburan. Hualo tries to make a good handle. Heavily guarded by Caballero. Muntikan pang nabitawan ang bola. Now to Aransado. Tumagay. Nice fake. Pull up jumper and no good. Out of bounds. Shout out Inday sa Tuburan. Jen Salinasal. Ayan, shoutout po sa anak ko na si Johan from Bulacan, from June Ongos. Magandang gabi, Johan or Johan, I don't know. Ayan, again humihingi po kami ng konting dispensa sa biglang pagkawala ng ating live dahil po nagkaroon lang ng saglit na brownout. Saglit lang naman yun, mga 10 minutes lang, 15. And shout out to the very beautiful and handsome. Grabe mo lantaw, mandayon. Abi po nilag sila. From the live control, Rai, Sai, Patrick, and J-Sam. Og sa atong gwapang photographer nga si Ivy. Hualo unable to catch that pass from that inbound. Donya, good feed para kay Diva against Magay. And Diva is fouled. Shout out po kang Papa Gilbert. Uy, nanugab man. Brown out, magugkalit. Sorry, napalo nga atong live. Watching from Urban Cam Massage and Spa. Balido carrying the ball, violation. Nag-brown out. What's up, Maranap? Cyrus Tuwal and to my very good friend, Stanley Lakay. Shout out po from Barangay Palpalan, from Jocelyn Ansis. Diva. Time winding down. Balotaulo, corner 3. Gaviola with a rebound. Now to Hualo. Hualo, one-hander. No good. Diva. Rebound. Caballero. To Balat. Now to Donya. To Caballero. Balik kay Donya. Wing 3. Way off the mark, out of bounds. 20 seconds left for the first quarter. 8-14. 14 po ang Barangay Liniensa. Magay now to Balido. Steps back. Game clock winding down. Caballero saves the ball from getting out of bounds. Now to Balat. Ball stolen by Hualo. 2 seconds left. And that's the end of our first quarter, mga ka-Asenso. 8-14. Liniensa on the lead. Oh, watching from Lakewood City, Maestro JC. Maka, sir, wala ka niyan hidere. Shout out kay Manilyn Ortiz. And second quarter mga ka-Asenso. Caballero to number 9. Kisa man ni number 9. Pull up jumper, no good. Burlat with the rebound. Now to Osenya. Osenya taking his time. Good screen by Ogosierda. But hindi makalusot si Osenya. Cross-court pass para kay number 13. Balik kay Osenya. Wing 3. And no good. Tampos with the rebound. Side step. One-hander. No good pa rin. Udin from Lenienza wins the rebound. Ball stolen by Alcantara. To Tampos. 8-second shot clock. Alcantara. To Tampos. Looking for someone to pass. 1 second. Ogosierda. No good as the shot clock expires. Good rebound there by Udin. Caballero. To number 9. Corner 3. Bouncing off the rim. No good. Tampos now with the rebound. Minyan ako magbasa sa shoutout ha. Kamarang nindot yung dula. Osenya. To Ogosierda. Nakalusot. Ogosierda. Umararo. Shoutout kay Noriel Jeronimo from Zia Kang. Shoutout kay Hualo Tarunga Samboy. Kay gagmay ang kontra. Ingon si Yonyon Medina. Caballero, forced shot. Off balance. No good. Rebounded now by Tampos. Tampos all the way. And no good. Now Diva with a rebound. 4-point lead for Barangay Lenienza. Caballero, bounce pass para kay Elia. To Udin sa ilalim. Aranzaro with that rebound. Now to Alcantara. Floating in the air. Passing it outside to Osenya for 3. Lagpas. Diba, crossover. Ayun, may foul. It's Barangay Tuburan. Tuburan o Lenienza. Shout out may dire sa Barangay Lumbia. Especially sa akong pinanggang si Kel. From CJ Uy. Shout out po kang isa man ni Shalisha. Shalisha. Uy, shout out kay Boss Carlo Ginia. Mayong gabi dia, boss. Yon kang Jamaica Suwan Tagbo, shout out. Melvit Melvit Alub. Nikos Taog Dagadas, shout out. And shout out to our 114,000 live viewers live streaming via Asenso Sports Channel. Don't forget to like and share our official Facebook page, Asenso Sports Channel. Back to our ball game from that timeout. Ayun, lagpas. Donya. Time sa rep. Di ko kita rep. Basket and a foul for Diva. Rep oy. Tabon po ka rep oy. Shout out ko sa mga gwapa. Gahulat yun in town sila. Luuya oy. And Diva completing the 3-point play from that free throw. Osenya. To Alcantara for 3. Bang! Alcantara from downtown. Humahabol ang Barangay Tuburan as they trail by 4 points. Claver to Udin sa gitna. And it's good for Udin. Ha! Pristine Joy Agitong. Live mong sa personal ako ng Facebook pod. Kung gusto niyo tanawon ng dula live, Asenso Sports Channel. Alcantara, isa pang 3. Can't get it to go. Donya against Alcantara. Now to Caballero. Sa gitna, 3. Yes, sir! By Caballero from downtown for Barangay Liniensa. Osenya, bounce pass para kay Tampos. Osenya, corner 3. And no good. Alcantara, blocked by Diva. Wow, what a defensive play by Diva. Bungabong will check in for Barangay Liniensa. Bungabong, oh, estudyante sa Columban. The College of Criminology, shout out. St. Columban College, College of Criminology. Hualo for 3. Bang! Corner 3 for Hualo. Udin nag-isa. Ang ganda ng play ng Barangay Liniensa. Walang bantay si Udin. Hualo with his second 3-pointer of the night. Osenya. Alcantara for 3. Short. Bungabong with a rebound. Long pass para kay Udin. Intercepted by Osenya. Udin still saves it. Now to Bungabong. To Caballero. Fakes. Drives to Bungabong. Nabitawan. Diba sa gitna. And no good but he's fouled. Uy, Yorpo. Shout out kay Yorpo. Ang Hugot King ng Columban. Walo, excited. Actually, wala to na siya, Walo. Edmar the Magnum Hualo. Magnum na tawag niya kay. Kung makani siya motirag 3 gol yung sakit kay ba. And Diva no good for his second throw. Osenya now with a huge rebound against Bungabong. Osenya crossover. Wow! Pass intercepted now by Diva. Now to Donya against Alcantara. Diva basket and a foul for Diva. Good body control by Osenya. Crosses over against Bungabong. Osenya, despite having a big body. No, dako yun si Osenya, din taas po din. Medyo dako yun siya pero wow. Ilhan yun yung mga player yun sa una ba. Muna dili yun rason ang lawas nga dili ka player. 27-16 lamang ang Barangay Liniensa. Alcantara outside. Now to Hugo Cerda, turns around, fakes, fires, basket and a foul. Strong move by Hugo Cerda. Shout out kay James Paul Fernandez all the way from Cebu. Nakag-Cebu ron po. Watching from Misamis Occidental, go to Buran from Lizel DXN. Go, 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 Uncle Samboy from Arsamil Asa. Good luck, Team Liniensa. Rosemary Balotaulo. Shout out po kay Nino Jayari. Uy, Balasa, shout out all the way from San Ramon Penal Farm. Caballero, heavily guarded. Corner 3. And short ang 3 ni Donya. Udin with a save. Bounce pass. Nice fake by Diva. Falls away off the glass. No good. Hugo Cerda now with the rebound. Now to Hualo. Umatake. Lays it up for 2 by Hualo. Yeah, shout out from Cebu City. James Paul. 7 puntos na lamang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Liniensa. Donya. Feeding. Udin sa ilalim. Agawan ang bola sa baba. And Tuburan wins that scuffle. Now to Alcantara. 3 against 1. Passing it to Osenya. Turn around. Off the glass. It's good by Osenya. At napatawag ng timeout ang Barangay Liniensa with 2 minutes and 57 seconds in the second quarter. remaining in the second quarter as they lead by 5 points. Shoutout po ko kay Balasa diyan, all the way from San Ramon Penal Farm sa Zamboanga City. Yan, muna yung dula na ito karon. Time out pa man sila, time out. Ayun, no? Ayun, puno-puno ito ang gym. Yan. And back to our ball game from that timeout. Linienza up by 5. Caballero, mid-range, no good. Ogosiera with the rebound. Pass, break pass para kay Hualo. To Alcantara, balik kay Hualo sa labas. Tumira ng 3. No good. Donya with the rebound. Agawan ng bola. Ang sweet. Sana all magtinandayay. Clip lang. Tanawan ninyo live sa Ascenso Sports Channel Andula. Osenya to Ogosiera. Ball strip from his hands by Diva. Now to Alcantara. Osenya, corner 3. And no good. Caballero now with a rebound. Shout out sa atong 130 live viewers via Ascenso Sports Channel. Balat to Donya, corner 3. And no good. Intong with the rebound. Long pass para kay Ogosierda. Carrying the ball, violation committed by Ogosierda. Ball goes to Barangay Linienza. Oy, shout out kay Genevieve. Richa naman din siya karon. Genevieve Montesa, Richa. Diyan din ako sa Lubrigat sa una. Linienza still up by 5 points. Caballero, tumira ng 3. Bang! Caballero with a dagger 3-pointer for Barangay Linienza as they extend their lead to 8 points. Alcantara to Osenya. Umatake against Udin. And it's blocked, pero may foul na tinawag against Udin. Oh, short. Shout out kay John Mark De La Cruz nga gatan-aw karon. Gikan kang Balasa, ball shuffle all the way from San Ramon, Zamboanga City. Sir, tanaw ta dula. Unsa nga dula po? Dulag. Never mind. Again, shout out kay John Mark De La Cruz from ball shuffle. Osenya. And Osenya nailing his first free throw, cutting the lead to 7. Shout out Lods watching from Barangay Lala, Aldrin Polinar. Osenya hits both free throws. Six-point lead for Barangay Linienza. Balat. Balik kay Caballero. Balik kay Balat. Dodonya. Balat. For 3. And no good. Balotaulo. Tapi ka ng bola sa taas for the rebound. Alcantara has the ball. No look pass. Alcantara lays it up. No good. Osenya. Hinabol ang bola. Crossover. Outside pass. Huwalo for 3. In and out. Pag minamalas ka nga naman, pumasok na sana, niluwapan ng ring. Balotaulo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Caballero. Floater. Gaviola with a rebound. Now to Huwalo. All the way. And yes sir, by Huwalo. As the game clock expires for our first half. 26-30. Linienza up by 4. This first half, mga ka-Ascenso, is brought to us by City Vice Mayor Attorney Boy Balileng Fernandez. shout out ko kay Jaimek de la Peña. Baltazar Jane.
Rai, si Ivy, si Patrick, wala, J-Sam. Yun ang mga team na mo. Cameraman. Papa Gilbert in the house. Kulumban mo karon po, kulumban.
And back to our ball game mga ka-Asenso. Second half, it's our third quarter. Linienza up by 4. Sabuero against Hualo. Outside to De Los Reyes. Balik kay Sabuero. One-hander sa gilid and it's good. O shout out kubusing from Barangay Kagwapuhan. Hill Lakbayo. Uy, parang pwede ko diri ba? Hualo for 3. Lagpas. Rebounded by Balotaulo. Go to Buran by Raychin Bolido. Shout out kay Lapot. Shout out. Shout out po sa iyang maestro ko na daw. Kagaklasig yapon na ito karon. John Montuerto. Ingnay mong sir nga. Kuan. Nariel Helia. Shout out. O kay Huagang. O kay Hindoy pod. Hindoy. The Mamords. Of Barangay Bomba. Good catch there by Diva and is fouled. Second personal foul for Ogosierda as Diva catches that ball from the inbound. And Diva nailing his first throw. Shot out Leo Madrigal Udin from Urban Camp Massage Spa from Jen Salinasal. Shout out din kay Kyle Jebriel. Shout out kay Leia Franny. Alcantara to Osenya. Intong. Jumper no good. Rebounded by De Los Reyes. De Los Reyes, hesitation. Now to Balotaulo. To Donya. Corner. Balik kay De Los Reyes. To Diba sa gitna. And it's good. Good ball movement for Barangay Liniensa. Shout out kay Doligon ang malakas tumaya. Daryl Dave Magsigay. Shout out. Malakas tumaya. Shout out kay Leia Franny ug kang Doydoy. Ngayon, shout out po kay JD Arnoco. Say, murag mauna ni Say, Arnoco. Sa Oni. Donya, corner 3. No good. Osenya, may foul na itinawag. Uy, Rose tuwas tumban. Rose nakahab. Rose na si tuwas tumban, no? Gawjud rin na Jin. Osenya. To Intong. Corner to Hualo. Balik kay Osenya. Shot clock winding down. Osenya umatake. Wow, what a play by Osenya. Shout out kay Sidley De Los Reyes. Earl Cabarubias. Tara Sidley o gadula. De Los Reyes. Babawi can't get it to go. Osenya with the rebound. Osenya having the ball all the way. And what a play again for Osenya. Up and under. Wow. Osenya carrying Barangay Tuburan, cutting the lead to 6. Diba against Osenya. Bounce pass para kay De Los Reyes. Fakes. Umatras. Passing it to Diba sa ilalim. Can't get it to go. Diba second chance. Ayaw pa rin. Another rebound for Osenya. Intong to Balongkas. Osenya taking his time. Nice feed sa ilalim. Balongkas. Lumabas pa ang bola. De Los Reyes. 2 against 5. Walang kasama. Ayun, eto na. Balotaulo. Donya corner 3. And still shot won't go. Diba with a rebound. Short pa rin. Ball strip from his hands by Osenya. Hualo, fast break pass para kay Balongkas. At siguradong hindi na lumabas. Balongkas. Yeah, you know, good comment here by Paul J. Poor transition defense for Liniers at that time. Yeah, actually, napansin din namin yan, no? Balotaulo. Jumper sa gilid. Kaya biglang nakahabol, di ba? Paul J. Tama yan. Osenya. 6-point lead for Barangay Liniensa. Ugo Sherda, nice fake. And no foul called. Balotaulo na yon para kay De Los Reyes. Sabuero. Good defense by Balongkas. De Los Reyes. Outside pass. Tip. Now to Donya. Shot clock winding down. Sabuero. Shot clock violation. Ang tagal ni release ni Sabuero ang bola na yon. And a timeout called by Barangay Tuburan as they trail by 4 points. Oh, shout out Subida boys from Gilyar, Yok. It's a daog tiguma balang awa pa may dula tiguma balangasan. Unya pa man Ken Rose Kabayaran. Unya pa, unya pa. Renajin. Ilis-ilis dik pangalan Renajin, aron di masakpan. No, nya pa no, tiguma balangasa no. Last game. Tuburan trailing by 4 points. Magay, turnaround jumper, no good. Grabe, si Udin humahakot ng rebound. Ay, Udin na noon. Diba pala, Diba. Balotaulo. Atake pa si Balotaulo. May foul na. Pangatlong foul ni Magay. De Los Reyes to Caballero. Balotaulo fakes, fires, and no good. Caballero with the rebound. Ang ganda ng pasa para kay Diba sa ilalim. Diba basket at may kasama pang foul. Good assist there by Caballero. Finding Diba. Oy, Kre, asa dapit kuan, Kre. Wa ko kabantay. Nanawag unta ka, oy. Sa sunod makakita ka nako, manawag ka kay mamansin man ko. Ug di ko tawgon, di po ko wa mo ko kabantay. Tawag ako sunod. Man dapit. Hualo. To Intong. Good cut. Balong cut. Reverse layup is good. Lagpot nung manis ang baba. Ang ganda na reverse ni Balongkas. Donya. Caballero for 3. No good. Intong wins the rebound. Fast break pass para kay Hualo. Nakalusot. Second board and it's good for Hualo. Wala lagyan yung live sa YouTube. Nag-brown out manggod ganina. Caballero to De Los Reyes. Balik kay Caballero. 2 puntos na lang. Caballero. Block sana but may foul na itinawag against Magay. Ayun. Manay nindot nga referee kay explain sa player. Kre, asa ko nimo nakitaan, Kre? Panawag oy para kuan. Yatira, di pa mansin noon. Caballero in and out. Diba with a putback. Can't get it to go. Isa pa. And another foul for Magay. Sayang, oh. But that was a foul yun, Magay. Wag yun tayo mahimo, ana. Lima na? Diba? Short. Up next day, mga ka-asenso, no? Nindot po kayo itong dula. It's Barangay Balangasan versus Barangay Tiguma. And a big shout out to our 190,000 live viewers via Asenso Sports Channel. And shout out kay Jane Team Golin Yensa. Tigunsan ni mo sikap. Adnod Chad. Osenya, what a good ball handling by Osenya. Balongkas flying for the rebound. Lumagpas lang. De Los Reyes, now to Donya. Balik kay De Los Reyes. Balik kay Donya. Nabakante for 3. No good. And a foul is called against De Los Reyes. Uy, shout out Adnod Chad all the way from Bukidnon. Shout out sa taga Bukidnon diha. Intong making a play. Tubalongkas, good fake against a taller defender. Nakalusot, can't get it to go. Another rebound for Diva. Donya Tubalo Taulo to De Los Reyes. Pull up jumper. No good. Osenya again. Isa pang rebound para kay Osenya. Cross is over against Caballero. Good feed para kay Tampos. Basket and a foul for Tampos. Watching in Kahayagan, Alma Irog-Irog. Shout out from Columbio, Sultan Kudarat. From Angeli Borjos. Sama dia Rena Jean, oy. Lis-ilis deg ngalan. Aron di masakpan ba? Tapos, unable to complete the 3-point play. De Los Reyes now to Caballero. Balik kay De Los Reyes. Long 2. No good. Intong with the rebound. Good hustle defense for Barangay Liniensa. And 8 seconds violation against Barangay Tuburan. Shout out from Tawagan Sur, Brian Shaw Silongan. Shout out po no from Barangay Balangasan. Go 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 Samboy Hualo from Yon Medina. And shout out from Barangay Langapod. Uy, JM Bisdak. Shout out sa mga taga Langapod. 4-3. And no good. Intong with the rebound. 18 seconds. Osenya atake. And foul is called but no shot. No shot. Nonsa naman ko. Oy, shout out kay Rodito Kabilan. Akong gwapo nga classmate. Parehan ako. Shout out Roadside Kambingan, Aurora, Rodrigo de la Oyan. And shout out sa commentator nga gwapo. Oy, si Kwan. Koy Koy. Charles Pulio. Of Barangay Balangasan. Dula ninyo niya, no? Shout out ni Shelmar Medina from Harvey Abedin. Shout out din Ryan Magsayo watching from Kawit. Ryan Magsayo. Mac-early. Okay ah. And shout out po from Team Banale. From Nikos Dagadas. Good luck Team Tuburan. Caterina Guidotti. De Los Reyes to Caballero. Donya nabakante ulit. And still shot won't go. That's the end of our third quarter. As Barangay Tuburan having a good run here. As they trail by only 1 point. Patay akong cellphone. Yun oh. Isang puntos na lang inahabol ng Barangay Tuburan. Kain muna tayo ng mani. Uy, shout out kang Basari the Great from Ronel. Uy, Luzon! Ang big bow ng Barangay Bugo. Shout out from Morikay, Abdullah Sumael. It's papunta na sa 4th quarter. Unsay dula. Tuburan og Liniensa. Shout out po Jane Ontolan. Uy, hi Jane, kumusta? Ay, ikaw din na si Kabukid Vlogs di ay. Ay, ikaw ha. Shout out kay Jane Ontolan. How's the married life? Shout out kang Alma Medina from Yon Medina. Di mabalik inyo live sa YouTube. Mangutana pa ko sa akuan technical team na to ana. Next game, Barangay Balangasan versus Barangay Tiguma. Fourth quarter mga ka-Asenso, Linienza up by only 1 point. Good run here by Barangay Tuburan. Hualo to Osenya. Ang ganda ng tingin, balongkas. Ball goes to Barangay Linienza. Sayang ang ganda na sana pasa ni Osenya. Shout out ko kung Junjun, ang pogi ng napulan. Hans balongkas. Donya to De Los Reyes. To Diba, reverse layup is good. Bunog kayo ang rim ni Donya. Jonathan Donya. And a steal by Diba. All the way in and out for that layup. Intong now to balongkas. 3-point lead, Barangay Linienza. Osenya. Wow, what a ball handling skill. Hualo falls away. Tampos with a putback. Caballero. Shot out Ulysses Torres. Balotaulo to Donya. Now to Diba. Umatake sa gitna. Off the glass. No good. Tapik ka ng bola sa itaas. Balotaulo. Shot clock winding down. Intong. Ayun, may foul. Shout out kay Ruben Caballero from Calasan. Tarong ang binuaya, darling. RC Garcia Dayota. Shout out from Papsipig Pagadian. Dexter. Malaay kahilap, maminso maang. Tasag ngalan, uy. Idol, shout out ako kung gwapang asawa, Jackie Sanchez. Ryan Magsayo. Linienza, 3-point lead. Osenya to Hualo, long 3. Off the mark. Balotaulo with a rebound. Donya, balongkas is foul. Ayun, kitang-kita ang foul ni Balongkas. Shout out kang Wade Judah Medina nga natulog na. Ha! Natulog na, ipa-shout out. And Balido will check in for Balongkas of Barangay Tuburan. De Los Reyes. Donya. Balik kay Balotaulo. Balik kay Donya. Open for 3. Bang! Finally nailing from downtown by Donya. Kanina pa yan ha. Buti na lang. Hualo. Gustong bumawi ng 3. And off the mark ulit. Donya with a rebound. 6-point lead for Barangay Linienza. Donya, isa pang 3. Patayang butiki. Balido. To Osenya. Sidestep. And it's good! What a footwork there by Osenya despite having a big body. Ang ganda ng footwork ni Osenya. Caballero to De Los Reyes. Kung sa bagay, praktisado mong good siya good. Caballero behind the back pass to Diba. At may foul na itinawag against Intong. Ayun o, shoutout ko sa agaw nga nagdula. Balongkas from Napolan by Hans Balongkas. Idol, pa-shoutout sa among bossing nga si Coach Bulot. That's my idol, RC Dayota. Saan yung Dayota? Taga-kuanik? Si Dayota gini. 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. 43-47. 4 puntos lang ang kalamangan ng Barangay Linienza. And we still have a long time to go for a chance for Barangay Tuburan para makahabol. Diba on the line. And it's good for his first free throw. Second throw, and it's good. Shout out kay Doligon. Tampos! What a play! And a pass by Hualo para kay Tampos. Balik sa apat ang Kalamangan. Shout out kay JRP of Barangay Gatas. Caballero. Tudonya. Tumalo-talo sa ilalim against Ogosierda. Good low post there. Strong body of both teams. Balotaulo unable to make that fadeaway shot. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Ogosierda. Balido. And it's good all the way for Balido. Ang ganda ng matchup ni Balotaulo at Ogosierda sa ilalim. Karaang damang po ni si Ogosierda madulag basketball. Donya for three. Bang! From the wing! Donya hitting that dagger three-pointer for Barangay Liniensa. Ayon, kinakabahan, Joren Hulom. Osenya, umatake, blocked by Diva. And a good defensive play here by Diva. Inabot si Osenya. 9-second shot clock. Osenya to Hualok, fakes, fires, lagpas. Ogosierda, tumilapon pa ang bola sa kanyang mga kamay. Sayang yun Caballero. 5-point lead, Barangay Liniensa. Caballero, fakes, drives, nakalusot, one-hander off the glass, and it's good for Caballero. Goal Liniensa by Sheila Tim Montuerto. Whoa! Osenya, good crossover there. Sayang at walang nakasalo sa pasa ni Osenya. Grabe, Osenya doing the best that he can to carry Barangay Tuburan on his back. Ogosierda, balik kay Osenya. Fake, step back three, blocked by Balotaulo. May foul na tinawag against Balotaulo as Balotaulo enters the landing spot of Osenya. Yun, foul yun. Actually, good. That was a good call by the referee kasi landing spot. Okay, mahirap tawagan ang foul sa landing spot, and Osenya hitting the first throw. Gusto nyo tawagan ang landing spot nga foul, pero actually Arlo Calunod is one of the good referees, no? If not the best referees in Pagadian City. Karaan pa rin nga gahe nga referee ba? Osenya, third throw. And missing a third one. 49-54. 5-point lead lang ang Barangay Liniensa. Donya to Caballero. Nakalusot. Nabitawan ang bola pa. Double dribble call against Caballero. Tuburan, a chance to score. Balido to Ogosierda. Fakes, fires, and no good. Ayun, naghahanap ng foul si Balotaulo. Donya to Diba sa ilalim. fakes, turn around, falls away, and it's good for Diba. Balido to Osenya, turns, reverse layup is good by Osenya. Wow! Grabe si Osenya. Shoutout kay Renelin Solante. Shoutout Ging. Donya. To Donya. Balotaulo sa ilalim. Caballero sa labas. Donya wing 3. No good. Tapi ka ng bola. Osenya. Wow, what a hustle rebound by Osenya. Now to Balido. Sidestep. Balido feeding. Tampos sa ilalim. At humahabol naman ngayon ang Barangay Tuburan. Cutting the lead to 3 with the last 2 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter, mga ka-Asenso. Diba against Osenya, nakalusot. Bounce pass para kay Donya, corner 3. Short. Balotaulo unable to catch that rebound. Buti na lang andyan si Caballero to save the ball. Caballero fakes. Now to Donya. Driving. No good. Ball goes to Barangay Tuburan. Woo, exciting ball game. Intense ball game, mga ka-Asenso. (53-56). Tuburan trailing by 3 with 1 minute and 12 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Ogo Sierda to Hualo. Naghahanap ng screen. Hualo force 3. No good. Balotaulo now with the rebound. To Donya. 2 against 2. Donya smartly taking their time. Now to Caballero. 9-second shot clock. Donya for 3. No good. Tampos with the rebound. Now to Hualo. A chance to tie the game. Bang! Hualo ties the game from way downtown with 29.8 seconds left. 56-56. Hualo with a dagger 3-pointer. Yan na naman si Hualo, the Magnum. No wonder Magnum ang iyahang nickname. No? Kay once siya ay makatira, makashot og 3, sakit yung kayo. Pati ako napatayo sa kinauupuan from that play. Wala, hurot na po na ko tingog. Saan ka ni sa last game ron? Bebong Gonzales, shout out sa iyo. Both teams still have 3 fouls to give. 27 seconds. Intense ball game. Donya. 10-second shot clock. Caballero. Attacking. 4 shot. And there's a foul called against Tampos. Blocking foul. Yeah, tama ang tawag ng referee. It's a blocking foul. And Barangay Linienza using their final timeout. Foul to give. Duha. Barangay Tuburan still has 2 fouls to give, while Barangay Linienza still have 3 fouls to give. Linienza with no timeout left, while Tuburan still has 1 timeout. And we only have 8.4 seconds remaining in the fourth quarter. Big shout out sa lahat ng nanonood dyan Inbound for Barangay Liniensa. Eight seconds left. Outside to Doña. Umatake to Caballero. 4 seconds left. Steps back. Doña for the win. And we're heading to overtime. What an intense ball game, mga ka-Asenso. Doña unable to hit that winning shot. And we're forced to overtime. JRP. Oy, watching from Barili, Arnel Tesaluna. Ang saya tingnan sa comment section. Shoutout sa inyo. I love you all, guys. Hualo hitting that dagger three-pointer to tie the game. Na, kini mo'y dula, cool. Pepo. Sa lahat ng... kaya love na love ko tong mga nagko-comment sa comment section eh. Idol, pa-shoutout kay Caballero. Ina di siya mamasa para di na ma-overtime balik. Mugoy is the Utah. Dikit ang laban. Shoutout naman dyan from Tawagan Sur, Joshua. Shoutout kay Ryan Simafranca. Take note, mga ka-Asenso, we're still on the elimination games. Still haven't complete the 21 games for each team. Meron pa tayong play-in. May quarterfinals, semifinals, tsaka finals. Caballero to Doña for 3. No good. Osena wins that rebound. Now to Balido. To Osena. 10 seconds shot clock. Osena crossover. Outside feed to Hualo. Steps back for 3. Hualo short. Doña with the rebound. Nakuha pa ni Balido. Balido from the baseline. As Barangay Tuburan taking the lead. Caballero to Diba. Nice pick. Driving and is fouled by Osena. Ayun, Tuburan, one foul to give na lang. We still have 3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining in the overtime. Caballero, umatake, ball straight from his hands. Now to Idin, fakes, fires, no good. Diba, hustle rebound, and is fouled. Urot na akong tubig. Urot na akong tubig, urot na akong tingog. Naapay last game. The crowd is going crazy here. Diva missing his first free throw. Lamang na lamang ang Barangay Liniensa kanina. Shoutout kay Ariel Cabural. Second throw. 1 point lead for Barangay Tuburan. Osena to Intong. Balik kay Osena. Umatake. Hualo. Fakes. Nabakante. Corner 3. Bang! Hualo with an angle 3-pointer sa corner. And what a shot by Hualo. Ang sakit ng tres ni Hualo. Doña to Caballero. And Caballero is fouled.
Foul number 70. Personal foul. 3 on 10.
Caballero nailing his first throw. Maglagot ra ba jud ba sa ingunaning dula kay madala tag apil sa emosyon ba. Caballero no basket as he steps on the line. Tampos to Osenya. Umatake. Looking for someone to pass. Intong. 4 shot. Intong. And my foul. RC Dayota. Ay, nahurot ako tingog. Napay tiguma og balangasan. Ano eh. I love my job. Mga gina ko ikasulti. Bahalag mapagaw. I love my job. Intong. No good. Makawalag stress ning unaning adula oy. Kung ang mga player sa korte sila na stress, ako wala gyud akong stress gyud. Lami kayo. Intong, second throw. And it's good. Kung ang coach sa matag team og mga players na stress, ako nawala gyud akong stress. Ganahan kay ko maglantob sa ingon ani ang dula. Caballero. Up and under and no shot.
Number 20, Ramos, or personal foul.
Ayun, fourth personal foul na si Tampos. And Caballero, di pa pumasok. Four-point lead for Barangay Tuburan. Caballero, what a rebound by Diva. Outside, Doña for 3. And missing it. Caballero, isa pang 3. Bang! And Caballero nailing the 3-pointer sa corner for Barangay Linienza. 1-point lead, last 2 minutes. Ball stolen by Balotaulo. Doña to Caballero. At mukhang nakabawi. Ball stolen now by Balido. Good defense by Tampos. Now to Hualo. Falls away. And it's good. Yatay, wala ko tingog. Caballero. Balik kay Caballero. Behind the back pass. Doña. Turn around. Pero may foul. Wala na ko tingog. Woo! May tubig niya. And Diva wala pa rin. Brown ties na game. May gani na tubig diri sa duol. Urot pa yun akong tingog. Caballero for the tie! Caballero ties the game! At 64. Balido. Turn around. Hualo for 3. Bang! Hualo! Training a 3-pointer for Barangay Tuburan. Caballero No good. To Tambos. And it's double team and my foul.
Foul number 50. First personal foul. Fourth, fifth foul.
Mike, Mike check. Wa na ko'y tingog.
He's coming off 70.
67-64. Walo with a dagger 3-pointer. Wala na akong boses.
Shot clock made.
Osenya, 5 seconds to Hualo, force 3. Bang! Wow! Another 3-pointer for Hualo. Grabe X factor. Speechless, mga kasenso. Thank you very much, Mayor Samiko, for letting us witness this kind of game. Wa na ko'y tingog, but I love my job. Naapay last game.
Shot clock 40. 40.
Balotaulo. No foul call against Caballero.
Penalty.
Shout out Hindoy. Wala ko tingog.
Foul number 40. Daylock. Second personal foul.
And that's the end of our regulation, mga ka-Asenso. Congratulations to Barangay Tuburan for winning this ball game. Wala ko'y tingog, but I love my job. This is your commentator, Gab. Magandang gabi.
These greetings from Yuma, Vegas, Martin Poole, Mayor Saki, Aaseta.
Hoy!
Asenso gabi mga ka-Asenso. Huwag kapag sa itong first ever Mayor sabi ko Asenso Barangay Cup ug karon nahuman na gid ang ato ika 5th game which was played by Barangay Tuburan versus Barangay Linienza and the winner Barangay Tuburan ug karon atong mahinabi ug inyong makita ang duha ka banggiitang players sa Barangay Tuburan ato silang pangutan-on kung unsa man nilang gusto masulti sa first ever Asenso Barangay Cup ni Mayor Samico ug kinsa man ang ilang pasalamatan niini. Dere ko magulan ni sir nga grabe po ni ka 3-pointer sa Barangay Tuburan. Sir, may gabi ka ni mo sir. Kung sa manig mong maistorya sa first ever Asenso Barangay Cup ni Mayor Samico.
Una sa tanan, pasalamat ko sa Ginoo nga gitagan mi og mayo nga dula og gipadaog mi dayon. Grabe, gatinabangay ra gyud ako na istorya, gatinabangay ra gyud mi as a team dayon. Walay discourage. Teamwork. Moro to. Then shout out ko sa akong ate na sa Manila ug akong supporter nga mama og taga-Paglaom boys. Coach Harvey.
Ikaw sir, basi na po kay gusto idunga kapasalamat sa first ever Asenso Barangay Cup ni Mayor Samico ug kinsa man pud ang imong motivation sa inyong pagdula karon nga overtime ang gid mo sa inyong konti grabe ka crucial.
Unang-una sa tanan, salamat sa nagpasiugdaan ng dula si Mayor Samico. Paglabi na jud sa mananaway sa dakbayan sa Pagadian. Salamat lang ko sa blessings nga gihatag sa amoa ug sa atong tanan. May gabi sa tanan. Thank you.
So sir, congratulations ninyo og sa tibuok Team Tuburan. Mga ka-Asenso, relax lang mo dira kay mobalik ta tiud-tiud para sa atong last game og relax lang mo dira and enjoy the game. I'm Ivy Merchant Carpentero, padayon pag-Asenso Pagadian.
Mic check, Pagaw.